Sissy here. This is my coffee bar. I'm very proud of it. I'm very excited about it. It's actually an old entertainment center that we took the doors off of, and we just screwed some hooks into this shelf here, and we've turned it into a coffee bar. Now my coffee bar is all decorated up in kind of like my summer spring decor, and I want to do a transformation into fall. So stick with me and we'll see the transformation. So I started out by kind of removing some of these more spring looking things. I changed out the placemats underneath the coffee makers and took the stuff off the top shelf here. And so I wanted to add some fall decorations. I put some pumpkins up in the top, put some pumpkins and my skeletons out there in the front, but I still kind of felt like something was missing or off and I couldn't quite place it. So originally I had the little skeletons on the bottom next to the coffee makers, and I thought, yeah, I mean, they look cute there, but that's not quite the look I was going for. So what I did is, I went ahead and moved them up to the top shelf. I went ahead and kept the pumpkins down there at the bottom, and as you can see, I have the placemats next to, the coffee stuff. And there's the pumpkins on top. And looking at these mugs, I thought, wow, these mugs really don't match. They don't look fall at all. I've got to do something with those. So as you can see here, this is where I actually moved the skeletons up to the top shelf, but I still have the non-matching coffee mugs. That's been a search of its own. I've looked everywhere for Halloween coffee mugs. I haven't been able to find them in any of the stores. I ended up actually going to an antique shop and I found one lone little fall coffee mug. They said to come back and they might have some more, so I'm still on the search for those. So this is the before coffee bar, and then this is the after. So as you can see, I added a fall garland at the top. I added my one little Halloween coffee mug, and I think it definitely looks more fall now. If you feel like this video brought you value, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your support means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good one. Bye!